the largest animal to have ever existed. Blue whales. This is one of the only places on Earth where blue whales can be found so close to shore. Their tongue can weigh more than an elephant, and they can gulp down 4 tons of food in a single day. Huge, 25-meter-long, mysterious creatures, normally found voyaging the world's oceans. But these giants will not be going far. They seem to like Sri Lanka. This may be one of the few places on Earth they've made a permanent home, a tribute to the richness of these waters.